Welcome to the transformative journey of turning old jeans into a beautiful bag. This creative project not only breathes new life into worn-out denim but also serves as a fantastic way to express your individuality and contribute to sustainable fashion. As we dive into the process, you'll discover the joy of creating something useful and stylish while also reducing waste. Let's explore how you can take that old pair of jeans and craft a unique bag that showcases your personal flair. Upcycling is more than just a creative trend, it's a lifestyle choice that emphasizes sustainability and creativity. In a world increasingly focused on fast fashion, upcycling encourages us to rethink what we consider waste. Old jeans, for example, often end up in landfills, contributing to environmental degradation. By transforming them into a stylish bag, you're not only keeping textiles out of landfills but also making a statement about environmental consciousness. The first step in this creative journey is selecting the right pair of jeans. Think about styles you've worn and loved in the past but no longer fit your current taste or size. Perhaps you have a pair that holds sentimental value or simply has a fabric you adore. Ideally, look for jeans that are still in good condition, no significant tears or damage, as this can impact the overall quality of your finished bag. Before you start cutting and sewing, gather your materials and tools. Besides your chosen jeans, you'll need sharp scissors for clean cuts, a sewing machine or sewing needles and thread, and fabric glue for added durability. You might also want additional materials like patches, fabric paint, or beads to personalize your bag further. Creating a well-equipped workspace will make the crafting process smoother and more enjoyable. With everything in place, it's time to cut the jeans. Lay them flat on a clean surface and carefully decide how you want to shape your bag. For a basic tote, cut the legs off about a foot below the waistband. Keep in mind that the cut shape will determine the style of your bag, so take your time deciding. Make straight, clean cuts to ensure a polished finish. Now that the jeans are cut, turn the legs inside out and begin sewing the bottom edges together. This step forms the base of your bag. Use a sewing machine for stronger seams, or sew by hand if you prefer more control. Reinforce these seams, as they will bear the weight of your items. Feel free to experiment with different stitch patterns to add an artistic touch to your bag. Next, it's time to create the bag straps. You can either cut the straps from the waistband or reshape the leftover fabric from the legs. For a sturdy strap, consider doubling the fabric for added strength. Attach the straps to the top edges of your bag, ensuring they are securely stitched. The length of the straps should be comfortable enough for carrying on your shoulder or by hand. One of the fantastic features of a bag is its pockets. Consider incorporating the original pockets from the jeans into your design. This not only enhances usability but also adds texture to the bag. You can position these pockets on the inside for organization or on the outside for quick access. Secure them with a good stitch to ensure they can hold your essentials. Now comes the fun part, personalizing your bag. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Use fabric paint to add designs, sew on patches, or embellish with beads and other decorative items. Your bag should reflect your personality, so feel free to experiment with colors and techniques until you find a style that resonates with you. Once you've personalized your bag, it's crucial to check all seams and attachments to ensure they are secure. Give your bag a thorough inspection, ensuring the straps are well stitched and the bag is ready for use. If needed, you can reinforce any areas that might need extra durability. Engaging in upcycling projects like this one offers numerous benefits beyond the aesthetic. By giving new life to old clothing, you significantly reduce your environmental footprint. Textile waste is a major issue globally, and projects like this make a positive impact by promoting reusability over disposability. It's a step toward a more sustainable lifestyle that many people are beginning to embrace. Beyond the tangible results, the act of creating something with your own hands can be incredibly rewarding. Crafting allows for self-expression and can be a therapeutic escape from daily stressors. As you cut, sew, and design, you immerse yourself in the artwork, and the end product becomes a symbol of your creativity and effort. Once your bag is complete, don't forget to share it. Use social media platforms to showcase your work. Tag your friends or join crafting communities to inspire others. Sharing not only spreads creativity but also encourages others to consider upcycling their own items, furthering the movement towards sustainable fashion. After successfully creating your bag, consider other upcycling projects to challenge your creativity. Jackets, shirts, and other fabric items can be transformed into various accessories, from wallets to home decor. Each project will expand your skills and enable you to contribute further to sustainability through creative reuse. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this transformation from old jeans to a beautiful bag, please subscribe, like, and share. Your support means a lot and helps us create more inspiring content. Happy crafting!